Hi guys, okay, today I will show you how to install the end profile on the floor. Okay, when you are doing the laminate flooring, you can install the end profile in order to cover the gaps between the wall and the floor. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of gaps between my wall and my laminate flooring. Okay, as you can see here. So if you use the normal border, you might have a problem because of the gap is quite big. For example, for this area, I think because of the wall is not straight. So in order to cover that, you need to have the end profile. This is called the end profile. Okay, I will show you how to install. First, you need to stick this part first on the wall. Okay, so you put the glue. Use the glue, the gun glue. You can check out my previous video about this glue. Okay, so just put the glue here. All the way. This is very strong glue. Okay, there you go. You have installed the end profile. Okay, so you have already covered. We have covered all the gaps now, so no more gaps. So you still have gap like this, you can put a filler, to cover the gap. Okay, like this as well. You can put a filler here. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.